Shrimp exclusive.
Hello, comp class. I'm gonna be cooking some chicken breasts with bacon. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's gonna be pretty good. I'll give you a look at the ingredients I have so far. I have the cheddar cheese, the bacon, and the chicken patties or chicken breasts right there. And what I'm gonna do first is I am going to grate this cheese that I have. I'm gonna need about 3 cups of it to spread over top of the chicken with the bacon and whatnot. Wish I had some music to do this too, but okay, now I have some cheese grated up. I'm gonna take this bacon that I have, and I'm gonna put that on the skillet, and I'm going to grill it up. If I can do that. You're gonna need about 8 strips if you're doing 4 chicken breasts, and about 5 or 6 depending on how much you like bacon if you're gonna do 2 chicken breasts like I am. I like bacon a lot, so I'm gonna go with 7. Hopefully my date doesn't get here too quick. That would suck. Well, I'm going to let that skillet up for a minute, and I'm going to come back, and I will show you what to do after that. Alright, I'm just going to give you some action of the bacon getting skilled. Kind of tough to do this with a MacBook, but I couldn't find any of my other recording devices, so yeah, that was bacon grilling on a skillet. A skillet, but I call it a skillet. The bacon is almost done, looks pretty good, check it out. I'm gonna drain that. And then I'm going to put the chicken breasts on the skillet. We'll make a video of that as well, or a clip, I should say. But yeah, it's good to leave some of the bacon grease drippings in there. It adds to the taste. Tastes great. My date's here.
What you cooking, babe?
Say hi to the camera, babe.
Hello.
Now I'm gonna put these nice chicken breasts on this skillet, along with some of the bacon grease, because that's what makes it taste good. I'm going to cook them about 7 to 8 minutes on each side.
What?
Let me let you check them out. Yummy, says the date.
Yummy.
They're gonna be good, man.
Got it.
Check out the cheese I already got grated.
It's a nice cheese.
It's a great cheese, straight from the Netherlands.
Bacon was nice, crispy. Pro. Actually, I'll just, it's
Bacon.
good.
Bacon tastes good.
Actually, I'm going to eat this whole piece.
Go ahead.
That's how good it is.
Is it really good?
It really is good.
I've never cooked bacon before in my life.
Like, no action. That's good bacon.
I'll come back to this. This is Oscar. He's gonna be eating some of this meal, so I had to put him in. Chef Boyard, baby, done.
You better put something good in there. Don't ruin it. No, I'm not gonna put anything stupid. Garlic powder is always good.
Put a little garlic powder in there for flavoring.
Good. Put some like spice in it, dude. People like spice. Chili powder.
No, not chili powder. Black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper.
Oh, Montreal chicken seasoning. Looks pretty good.
It says chicken seasoning. You should put it on. Oh, be gentle. There's a lot on there.
Let's spread it around. And a bit of black pepper.
Oscar is that dude. He that dude.
He that dude!
He's bad.
I'm living in that 21st century.
Bow, bow.
Oh, bow, bow, bow. Alright, so we have all of our three components to the main dish done. We have the cheese grated. We have the bacon fried. Bacon and the chicken. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to put the chicken on the baking sheet. And we're going to drape it with the cheese and the bacon, and we're going to put it in the oven on broil for about 6 to 8 minutes, just to melt the cheese and get everything nice and ready to eat. Tight, right?
Mm-hmm. What'd you just eat?
Bacon.
Save some bacon for me.
I saved some.
Just kidding, man.
Now we're going to put it in there on broil.
That's a lot of bacon. Man, that's a lot of cheese, dude.
I know it's a lot of cheese.
It's too much cheese for me.
It's not too much cheese. It'll be good, trust.
All right, man. You better show me a good time.
I'm going to show my date a good time. I'm going to put this in the oven, and then I'm going to get washed up and get ready to eat. And now we're going to put it in the oven. Let's check it out a little bit first. I don't know if you can see that or not, actually.
We tried.
And we'll be back in about 10 minutes. Ready to eat. I'm going to keep hydrated by drinking this non-processed Mountain Dew Voltage. This is all natural right here.
It's not true.
Now we're going to take the finished product out of the oven and see what's happening.
See what's happening.
See what's happening.
Yeah, check it out. Check it out.
Check you later. Yum. Probably looks crappy in the pan, but I'm gonna put it on a plate and it'll look great. I'm gonna garnish it.
Garnish it up. Dude.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, not.
Check it out.
Now, does that look like a great meal or what, babe?
Looks lovely for our anniversary.
Our 1 year anniversary.
Yeah, get it in the picture, dude.
Looks pretty good to me. Alright, well, we'll do a video of us eating it in just a few. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take the first bite. I'm going to eat it in my room. Classic.
You got awesome.
It's real good. Like, it's great.
You pulling my leg?
I ain't pulling your leg, like, it's real good, dude. Chef Boyar Baby Done. Chef Makalele.
Yeah, Pearl, get in my plate. I want you to eat it, Pearl. Yeah.
Yeah, Pearl, you're a cool dog.
Yeah.
Well, the food turned out to be a great success, and it's all gone. Me and my date, Cody Stewart, loved it. And now we're just going to finish off the night. I hope everyone likes this.